So what we have here is an ARMYTRIX exhaust with the X pipe and all. So it's definitely going to give it that awesome aggressive tone. So let's go ahead and unravel it and see what it all consists of. Man,
that's like artwork right there.
Pretty much.
You look at the exhaust like, I'd like to have one of these just hanging up on my wall.
That's a decoration piece right there.
He was a dreamer at heart, chasing the stars, chasing.
Let's hear it, man. Valves are open. I couldn't even talk over that loudness, man.
That sounds so good. Oh my goodness.
Let me get back there before you rev it.
I'm gonna get a little bit.
All right, now close it. Alrighty guys, we get that valve on there. It's awesome, works great if we want to quiet it down just with the push of a button, which is amazing. Now something that I'm just interested in, possibly doing a little test between the Mustang and the Corvette just to see which one is louder.
They both sound good.
Yeah, they do both sound good, but
we'll check.
One is a larger diameter, I believe. This one has a larger X pipe, so we're about to put them to the test. Dude, them downshifts though. That thing rips, man. It's so loud. Need a tunnel. Need a tunnel to really freaking this sucker. But it sounds so good. No tunnel needed. Hey, that's gonna be a new shirt right there. Sounds so good, no tunnel needed. But guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Goonzquad. You get the inside scoop there before YouTube, so be sure to give us a follow. Peace.